In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post and advertise a garage or yard sale on Facebook Marketplace. First, let's start by opening Facebook. It's an essential first step because this is where all the magic happens. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your home screen. There, you'll find the option to see more. Give that a click and it will extend your menu to reveal several more options. Next, you want to click on Marketplace. The Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic tool for reaching potential buyers in your local area, and it serves as a perfect platform for our yard sale advertisement. The Marketplace icon typically looks like a little storefront, so go ahead and give that a click. Now that we're in Marketplace, we need to create a new listing. You'll see the Create New Listing button on your screen. Click that to get started. A screen will pop up asking you to choose your listing type. Here, you might see options like item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for rent. For a garage sale, select the item for sale option as it aligns closest with our purpose. Now comes one of the most crucial steps: add photos. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Clear, bright images of the items you're selling could significantly increase interest. Click on Add Photos and upload the pictures of your sale items from your device. After your photos are uploaded, it's time to write a compelling title for your listing. Make it catchy and informative. Something like Saturday Yard Sale, Tons of Items will grab attention. Once you've nailed down your title, enter the price. Even if your items vary in price, you can either list a price range or simply pick a number that represents an average price for the things you're offering. Clicking further into the listing process, you'll next select a category for your items. Choose the category that best fits the bulk of what you're selling, like home goods or tools if those types of items dominate your sale. With the category sorted, you have the option to click on Tools and then choose the condition of the items. Are they new, like new, or used? Pick the option that most accurately reflects your items. Now let's move to the description field. Write a detailed description that gives potential buyers all the information they might need. Mention any standout items, special deals, or other enticing details. As you type, don't forget to include the brand if your items come from well-known manufacturers, as this can draw in brand-loyal shoppers. Tags are also important. Type in keywords related to your sale to make it more searchable. Finally, choose the availability setting and your location. This helps buyers know when and where they can attend. Click on Next to review your details, and when everything looks good, click on Publish. To amplify your reach, consider sharing your listing on relevant local groups. And there you have it. Your garage sale is now live on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling, and I hope you have a successful yard sale.